Hello, welcome back, guys. Thank you for clicking on this video. Here is Rhema Healthy Way, your home of healthy recipes. So, to my returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you to you guys for the sharing, commenting, and the liking on my videos. So, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you are warmly welcome. And if you enjoy what I'm doing, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Thank you. So guys, in today's video, I am making jollof rice. So to begin, I need to prep my ingredients and get them to blend. So I have with me a good size of onion. I'm going to cut my tomatoes into smaller sizes. And of course, I need some pepper to add. So I'm going to add one large Habanero pepper. These are the spices that I'm going to add: coriander, rosemary, and anise. So into my blender, I'm going to put all my prepped ingredients in and make sure that I get it to blend. So the next thing I'm going to do is to begin my recipe. Okay, and to begin, I am going to get my oil into my cooking pot, and the next I'm going to do is to put my onions into this oil after 30 seconds. Because I don't want my onions to get burns, I am going to add in my blended ingredients as quick as possible. After this, you want to note that when you're making jollof, it takes a little bit time and it's a step-by-step process. So then I'm adding some bay leaves and also some salt to taste, which is very important. I'm going to give it a little stir and leave it for about 5 to 6 minutes. After which I am going to check to make sure that some of the liquids from my fresh tomatoes are drained before I can add any other thing. We are almost getting there, and yeah. So at this point, the next thing I'm going to do is to add my tomato paste, and I know that my fresh tomatoes are ready for that. So on adding my tomato paste, I'm going to give it a stir to make sure that it's well incorporated and everything is on point. Our tomato sauce is looking so beautifully and colorfully well at this point. So the next I'm going to do is to add some cumin powder. I'm also adding some seasoning and also curry or curry powder. I'm going to give it a little stir and give my sauce some time to cook well before I add in my rice. So you want to note that in this recipe, I am using Jasmine rice, and I have some stock already in the fridge, which I got out of my roasted chicken. I have the video and I'm going to put it in the description box so you can click and watch that video as well. So I'm that kind who normally won't go washing their rice before cooking. So if you are somebody who go washing your rice, you are free to do that, okay? So yeah. So then you want to note that when you get to this point, if you're making or preparing jollof rice, you want to give it some time for it to steam a little bit. Okay, so as it steams, you have to be stirring and not too much stirring, okay? But you want to make sure that it doesn't get burnt or anything. Then I'm going to add in my stock. And because my stock is not enough, I'm going to add a little bit of water to support it. We all know that Jasmine don't like too much water, and I am that person who don't really like mushy rice, and I need my rice to come up one by one. Yeah, that makes your your Jasmine jollof rice a perfect one. You don't have to worry if you're adding in water, it doesn't change anything, provided you are doing the right thing. At this point, I'm giving it a little stir, and I want you to note that when you're using Jasmine, you don't go in for too much water, okay, or too much liquid. I'm going to leave this for about 10 minutes and check on it after. So after 10 minutes, my liquids are drained, and this is how my jollof is going. And you want to note that I'm going to cover this with folio so that it cooks well. And since jollof takes time, I have a lot of time to give it, right? Yes, so this is how far the jollof is going. So with my jollof rice, I always love me some vegetables. So adding in my vegetables comes when my jollof is fast or is almost ready. So then after adding my green beans and some carrots, I'm going to leave this for only 3 minutes and put off my heat. So guys, this is the end result, and you want to try this. So thank you very much for joining me today. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, don't forget to give this channel a big subscribe, okay? I'll be happy to have you here as part of this Rhema family. And yes, you want to note that I am going to enjoy this with my chicken and some hot chili. So until I come your way again next time, don't forget to like, comment, and share with other people. Thank you very much. It's bye.